What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Just a Little Bit by Teqkoi. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as a notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar, along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning and you're going to capo up to the 3rd fret. As always, if you need the guitar tab for the song, I've made one for you and put it in the video description, so if you need it, jump into the video description. Once you get done, it's there for you. Now you're going to be picking your open E string, and all the notes that you're going to be picking are going to be on your D string for the first part of this tab, except for one of them. And the notes you're going to be picking are going to be 2, 1, 9, 6, 4, 2, 1, and then 2 on A. So 2, 1, 9, 6, 4, 2, 1, 2. And you're starting by picking the low E. So you pick the low E and then your D. And except for those last two, those are just 1, 2. There's no open string in between. So open D, 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 then A. What they're doing there is they're going down to that 9. They're just, I'm like putting my finger and picking and sliding. It doesn't really matter where you do it, but that's how they're getting that. So one more time. Then they're going to do something very, very similar, except starting with the A open, and then you're going to go to your G string, and you're going 1st fret, 4th fret, 9th fret, 8th fret, 4th fret, or 1st fret, 4th fret, 1st fret, and then on D, 4, 2. So it's a very similar picking pattern. Again, it's 1 on G. This is all on G. 1, 4, 9, 8, 4, 1, and then on D, 4, 2. And that's the same as, it's just, there's no open A in between that. So with the A, you start picking the A, and it looks like this. And they have another slide up to the 9th fret. So when you put them both together, all together slowly, it looks like this. And that entire thing just repeats throughout the entire song. guys, that's all there is to it. Keep practicing, you will have this song down in no time. Now the way the giveaways are gonna work is each month I'm gonna pick 2 winners. One is gonna receive a guitar accessories kit that has a capo, a guitar strap, guitar picks, everything that you need in there as a beginner. And the second winner is gonna win a free t-shirt from my Billy Schultz Music merch site. And then once the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'm gonna be picking one of you lucky winners to receive a free brand new acoustic guitar. Now all you have to do to enter the giveaways is like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and leave a comment down below for a song that you want me to teach you on guitar. Now turning on notifications is extremely important because each month I'm gonna be live streaming the monthly giveaways, and then once I do the guitar giveaway, I'm gonna live stream that as well, and to get notified, you gotta have those notifications turned on. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at billyshultzmusic. The more that I see you guys, the more it's going to increase your chances of winning one of these prizes. Thank you guys so much. I can't say it enough. I appreciate all the support and I appreciate all the love, and I can't wait to give away these prizes. So keep liking, subscribe to the channel, turn on those notifications, keep putting those comments down below, and I will see you guys in the next video.